How to change MacBook wallpaper and lock screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and right click on your home screen and you will see the option for change wallpaper. Tap on that, and with this in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to change your wallpaper. So go ahead and select the wallpaper from the shown options. Scroll through and choose the wallpaper that suits your preference the best. You can choose from dynamic wallpapers, landscape, cityscape, underwater, earth, shuffle aerials, or pictures, or colors, or you can also add anything from your camera roll too. So go ahead and tap on the image that you want to set as your wallpaper, and with this, your wallpaper along with your lock screen will be changed. So this is how you can change wallpaper on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.